Hey guys, this is Keisha, and I am in my kitchen at the moment. I am actually going to be making some fall candles. So, this is going to be a bit of a DIY, but this is great for those who maybe can't afford to buy some of the pricier candles at Bath and Body Works and sometimes at Target. So, places like that. Candles can get pretty expensive. So this is just an easy way to do some candles. I used to do a lot of DIY candles years ago, pretty much around the time of 2020 when everybody was in the house. I did several candles. So I kind of got out of it, but I still know how to do a few things. So here are some of the items I picked up at Dollar Tree. I did get these simple plain white candles. These are kind of like emergency candles or candles that you could have for maybe some sort of a Catholic candle lighting. So that is for that. I just bought two of them. It's probably going to be enough for maybe 1.5 candles. But anyway, we'll just move on. Here are some of the oils I bought. And I did buy the apple cinnamon. This is pretty strong. And I got it at Dollar Tree, so it's only $1.25. And I also bought this sandalwood scent as well. And then I bought, this is something I bought a while ago actually. This is the Bartlett pear. So this one is really good. It smells really good. I haven't used any of these in candle making. So, yeah, I may have to use the entire amount for my candles, to be honest with you, because depending on the type of wax you use, really determines how well your candle smells, how strong it is. So, I may have to use pretty much the whole thing for these, to make my candles smell good. So I also bought these metal flakes from the plus section at Dollar Tree, and these will just be kind of for decoration pretty much. We'll see if it works out. This thing is so lightweight because the flakes inside of it are super light, so it almost feels like you have nothing inside of it. So I also bought from Dollar Tree just this candle lighter because we need a new one. They have these in several different colors, so you can pick these up at Dollar Tree. I also bought this for kind of a decor situation, just to kind of set things up and make them look cute. We'll see if that works out. If not, I could use it for like some sort of a party tray later. I also bought this glass. Hopefully it works out. It's a good shape for a candle, so we shall see if it works. I don't know, you guys. And here is just some cinnamon sticks that I picked up from Target. I don't remember the price, but they were fairly affordable. So yeah, this is for decoration for the most part. And I'm going to try to keep these wicks here. And I'm going to use my hot glue gun to use them to reseal them to the bottom of my containers. So I wanted to come on real quick and tell you guys about the mistake I made with this candle so you don't make the same. I poured my candle wax into another jar first before pouring it into the final jar, just to make it a little easier. But it had cooled down significantly by this point. So make sure that whenever you get ready to pour your hot wax, you are pouring it into the actual jar that you are wanting to use. I also poured my fragrance oil a little late. I should have poured it in a lot sooner. And you'll notice that when I am pouring that oil in. So make sure that you are really focusing on your timing, because your wax will most likely dry pretty quickly and start to solidify. So the candle didn't turn out 100% like I would have preferred it to. So let me know what you think in the comments. It did have a pretty good scent throw, but it wasn't as strong as other candles that I've made or that I've purchased in the past. So, but it did have a little bit of a scent throw. So it's a nice start for the fall season. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and thumbs up the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.